So why is Bitcoin pumping higher today? This is what it's currently at the moment. So there are a number of reasons why, and I'll just show you an article here. Bitcoin and Ethereum prices are headed higher on Monday alongside the larger listed crypto firms as some optimism returns to the market following weeks of heavy selling. Now, the market hasn't been doing good the last few weeks, but thank God now it's improving today. So Bitcoin price hovered around the 87,400, up 3.2% since the previous day of trade. Ethereum gained 3.7% and it's around the 2080 mark. So Bitcoin traded at its highest level in over 2 weeks in early trade. It looks as if Bitcoin has managed to consolidate and build a base to push higher. So he added the daily MACD remains in negative territory, but is indicating that momentum has room to the upside. It's a similar story for Ether, which is back around the 2000 mark, but the big test is still to come with the next significant resistance coming in around 2200. So that's just for Ether or Ethereum. So still, however, month on month, Bitcoin's price is down more than 4%, while Ether is up Ether is down 17%. So Ethereum has gone down quite a good bit lower now than Bitcoin. So there's no clear catalyst exists for an immediate parabolic rally. The risk to reward dynamic is shifting as selling pressure fades, something easily overlooked without closely monitoring daily movements. So that's just talking about the Bitcoin ETFs. So the moves come following an uneasy market which has been sensitive to political maneuvering in the US, and that's very true. It's a lot has to do with the Trump tariffs, etc., and all the uncertainty as to what countries are going to get tariffs put on them, whether there's going to be retaliation back, and that's meant there's been a lot of fear in the markets as a result and a lot of uncertainty. But there's a bit of optimism now that the tariffs may not be as bad as people foresaw, and there may be more leeway on it. So there's a bit of optimism, but I'd be very careful, especially with crypto, as it's very volatile. The stock market, the Nasdaq market is moving slightly higher today. However, it's only slightly higher, and it'll just be interesting to see how the rest of the week goes. There's a bit of optimism, but it's nothing too great at the moment. So just said I'd make this quick video. Bitcoin is up and the markets are up. Stock market is up. Tesla is up today as well, and the Nasdaq market as well. But just because there's a small bit of optimism at the moment, but nothing to get too excited about. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.